Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Daily English Practice. We are very happy you are here with us today. If you are learning English step by step, if you want to speak more confidently, if you want to prepare for real-life situations, this episode is for you. Today, we are talking about something very important, very serious, but also very exciting. Today, we are talking about job interviews, and especially the most common question in every job interview. Tell me about yourself. John is here with me today.
Hello, everyone. Mary, I need help today. I have a job interview next week, and I am very nervous. I'm not nervous about my skills. I'm nervous about speaking English. When someone asks me, "Tell me about yourself," my mind becomes empty. I don't know where to start, I don't know what to say, and I don't want to make a bad impression.
John, first, take a deep breath. That feeling is normal. Many beginners feel exactly the same way. The question sounds simple, but it feels big. But today, we will break it into small pieces. After this episode, you will know what to say, how to say it, how long to speak, what not to say, and how to sound confident. And remember, you do not need perfect English. You need clear English. Target. What does "tell me about yourself" really mean?
Mary, when the interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself," do they want my life story? Do they want my childhood? Do they want everything?
No, John. This is very important. They do not want your whole life story. They want 3 simple things: who you are professionally, your experience or education, and why you are good for the job. That's it. Simple structure. When answering "Tell me about yourself," use this structure. 1. Start with your name and current situation. 2. Talk about your experience or education. 3. Talk about your strengths. 4. Connect it to the job. Let's practice step by step. Example. Simple beginner answer. Hello, my name is John. I recently graduated from university with a degree in business management. I have experience working in customer service for 2 years. I am responsible, hardworking, and I enjoy helping people. I am very interested in this position because I want to grow professionally and contribute to your company.
That sounds simple, but it sounds professional. It sounds organized, it sounds confident. And the sentences are short.
Exactly. Short sentences are powerful. Simple grammar is powerful. Clarity is more important than complexity. John, let's build your answer together. First, introduce yourself. Speak slowly.
Hello, my name is John Smith. I am currently working as a sales assistant in a retail store. I have been working there for 3 years. In my job, I help customers, answer questions, and solve problems. I enjoy communicating with people and learning new skills. I am a responsible and patient person. I am applying for this position because I want to improve my career and work in a more professional environment.
Very good, John. Now, let's improve it a little. Instead of saying, "I am currently working," you can say, "I am currently working as a sales assistant, where I support customers and help increase store sales." Adding small details makes you sound more confident.
Mary, what mistakes do beginners make?
Very good question. Do not talk about personal problems, talk too long about your childhood, say negative things about past jobs, say, I don't know, and stop. Good morning, John. Thank you for coming today. Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is John Smith. I have been working in retail sales for the past 3 years. During this time, I have developed strong communication skills and learned how to handle different types of customers. I am responsible for assisting customers, managing inventory, and working with my team to meet sales goals. I am a hardworking and reliable person. I always try to improve myself and learn new skills. I am very interested in this position because I believe my experience and positive attitude can contribute to your company.
Thank you, John. That was clear and confident. Mary, what if someone has no work experience? Maybe they are a student. What should they say? That is common. If you have no job experience, talk about education, internships, volunteer work, skills, and personality. Just like, hello, my name is Anna. I recently graduated from high school. Although I do not have formal work experience, I have participated in school projects and volunteer activities. I am responsible, organized, and eager to learn. I am very motivated to start my professional journey and contribute positively to your team.
Confidence comes from 3 things. Speak slowly, smile, maintain eye contact, and practice your answer many times. Repetition builds confidence.
Repeat slowly. My name is, I have experience in, I am responsible and hardworking. I enjoy working with people. I am interested in this position because.
Before today, I thought interviews were scary, but now I understand something. Interviews are conversations, not exams. They want to know me. They want to understand my personality. They are not trying to trick me.
Yes, John. And to everyone listening, you are more prepared than you think. You have skills, you have strengths, you have value. Even if your English is not perfect, your effort speaks loudly. Speak clearly, speak honestly, speak confidently.
Today, I learned that tell me about yourself is not a scary question. It is an opportunity to show who I am.
Exactly. Prepare your answer, practice daily, believe in yourself, and remember, you are improving every single day.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep speaking, keep learning, and we will see you in the next Daily English Practice episode. Goodbye, everyone.